scare floor.
And Mr. Wazowski, what you lack is something that cannot be taught. You're not scary.
It's been tampered with.
I don't think you should be messing with that.
Why are my settings different?
Mike, we should leave.
Did you do this?
Mike.
Did you do this?
Yes, I did.
You said you believed in me.
Well, what was I supposed to do? Let the whole team fail because you don't have it?